The EU and UK have struck a deal to ease border checks and restore frictionless travel and trade in Gibraltar. In this video, we talk about what this means for the region and its people.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance.
The European Union and the United Kingdom have reached a long-awaited agreement to ease cross-border trade and travel in Gibraltar, ending years of uncertainty following Brexit. Since Britain formally left the EU in 2020, the future of Gibraltar had remained unresolved. Progress on a post-Brexit arrangement had been slow, despite the fact that 96% of Gibraltar's voters backed remaining in the EU in the 2016 referendum. Gibraltar has been under British rule since 1713 and holds strategic importance for the UK due to its location. Spain, a member of the EU's Schengen area, has long contested Britain's sovereignty over the territory. The new agreement will remove physical border barriers, checks, and controls for people and goods crossing between Gibraltar and Spain. It also ensures alignment with the EU's Schengen free travel area and its single market regulations. Gibraltar, home to around 34,000 residents, relies heavily on seamless access to the EU market and free movement across its border with Spain, used daily by nearly half of its population. Under the new agreement, Gibraltar will be integrated into Europe's Schengen area, allowing for passport-free travel within the zone. Spanish authorities will be responsible for managing entry and exit. The deal, pending approval by both the Spanish and UK parliaments, will eliminate physical border checks and controls for people and goods moving between Gibraltar and Spain, the EU confirmed. To maintain the integrity of the EU's border-free Schengen zone and single market, joint checks by UK and Spanish border officials will instead take place at Gibraltar's airport and port. This setup mirrors existing arrangements at Eurostar stations in London and Paris, where officials from both countries conduct passport checks. The agreement also includes provisions on visas and travel permits. Without this deal, the UK warned that half of Gibraltar's population, many of whom cross the border daily, would face routine passport checks under new EU entry-exit rules. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.